Good evening students. This is Dr. Nisha Singla. Today I will discuss with you Unit 11, that is Alcohol, Phenols and Ether. We will divide this chapter in two sections. The first one is Alcohols and Phenols and the second one is Ethers. Each of these sections will be discussed in these 5 points. First one is classification of compounds, the second one is nomenclature, third one is methods of preparation, physical properties and their chemical properties. So let's start with the first section, that is alcohols and phenols. Alcohols and phenols are formed when a hydrogen atom in the hydrocarbon, whether it is aliphatic or aromatic, is replaced by an OH group. For example, if we replace H in ethane by OH group, then ethanol is formed, and if H from the benzene ring is replaced by OH group, then phenols are formed. So these alcohols and phenols are classified into 3 categories based on the number of OH group present. The first category is monohydric alcohols. Here only one OH group is present, whether it is aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon. In dihydric compounds, 2 OH group are present, and in tri and polyhydric compounds, 3 or more than 3 OH groups are present. These monohydric alcohols are further classified on the basis of hybridization of the carbon atom into 2 categories. The first category is if OH group is bonded to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here basically 3 examples were included. The first example, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols, where OH group is attached to 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon and 3 degree carbon respectively. Second example is allylic alcohol, where OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Third example is the benzylic alcohol, where the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to the benzene ring. Second category, if the OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Here basically 2 type of examples were included. The first one is phenols, where the OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring. And the second one is vinylic alcohol, where the OH group is attached to the vinylic group. Second, nomenclature of the alcohols and phenols. So first of all we will discuss the nomenclature of alcohols. Here we will discuss 2 type of nomenclature, common and the IUPAC. In the common nomenclature, first of all write down the name of the alkyl group followed by the word alcohol. For example, here this is the N-propyl group, so the name of the alcohol will be N-propyl alcohol. Similarly here the alkyl group is tertiary butyl group, so the name of the alcohol will be tertiary butyl alcohol. If we talk about the IUPAC nomenclature, they are derived by substituting E of the alkane with the suffix -ol. Rest of the rules are same as we have discussed in the IUPAC nomenclature. That is, first of all we will select the longest carbon chain and then we will do the numbering so that the functional group will get the lowest possible number. So the IUPAC name of this compound will be 2-methyl propane 2-ol. If we talk about the cyclic alcohols, then the prefix cyclo is write down and the rest of the rules will be the same. For example, the name of this compound will be cyclohexanol. If a substituent is present, then first of all we write down the name of the substituent and then the name of the alcohol. So its name will be 2-methyl cyclohexanol. Now the nomenclature of phenols. In case of hydroxy derivative of benzene, phenols is adopted by the common system as well as the IUPAC one. So its name will be phenol in the common name system and in the IUPAC system. If any substituent is present to the ortho, to the meta or to the para group, to the para position of the phenol, then their common name will be orthocresol, metacresol and paracresol, and in the IUPAC system we have to mention the numbering. So here this methyl group is present at the 2 number position to the OH group, so its name will be 2-methyl phenol, here 3-methyl phenol and here will be the 4-methyl phenol. So this is the nomenclature of the alcohols and phenols. In the next video we will discuss the structure of the functional group and we will compare the bond length of the aromatic and the aliphatic alcohols. Thank you.